There's nothing really... I could throw a tritone in there, but I don't know that that would sound good like in the context. I think this is a very, very diatonic song. I really think it is. There's not much that's going against it, and it's not like a... There's no jazz to this, so that doesn't really fit too well. Actually, I'm changing my mind. I think I'm onto something. Okay, so if I quantize this stuff... Oh, wow, that's... Oh. Huh, okay. There we go. And then I do this. I'm going to take this and I'm going to make it a little bit sort of thicker. Okay, here we go. I think that worked. Make car noises. Let me just mute. That's funny. That's funny. I'm just gonna mute the mute that and then just make car noises. Meow meow meow. Oh no, I'm hitting rocks. What am I doing? Okay. It actually helps me to control the car using sound. Me. Oh, this is actually very difficult. Cause you know when to shift based on the pitch. Me. Speed limit 40, not where I'm from. Meh, meh. Oh no. Meh. Oh, I'm in way too high of a gear. If you make car noises in real life, it goes faster. True. Oh, I'm going so slow. Meh, meh. Yeah, this is not being a racing dude. Like, come on.
Okay. One more, last one. Uno mas.
Guess where I'm going.
Are we doing tasks?
Yes.
I don't want to go to electrical. I'm not in the mood. I'll do that
he went to
later.
admin.
Yeah.
I'm hanging out with Lincoln. Let it be publicly known.
I'm hanging out with
I am
mom.
alone and about to die, probably.
Celeste, come with us.
I'm really bad at walking.
I think she's the imposter because she doesn't want to come with us.
Well, that'll prove y'all wrong when I die pretty soon.
You're tired.
I do have a task here. I might as well do it, but I think
I don't even know
less
what
important.
Everyone do half of your tasks, like just leave them yellow.
Hate it.
I'm right next to the blue one.
Sounds sus.
Who's the blue person? No!
I don't care where we go. I have both areas.
Oh, Celeste died.
Wow, good job, Celeste.
What do you mean Celeste died?
Oh, I have something.
She went now.
No. Celeste,
no.
what do you
I
have to?
was joy at doing a task. I was doing a task.
Let me do my wiring before you report the body.
Yeah, well, it's probably like in cafeteria or something.
Your
I
funeral
don't know
can
what
wait.
you guys
I gotta
are
do
talking
the
about.
wiring.
I was just doing a task. I was really filled with joy.
Celeste. I do
Let's
not
just go
like-
report it.
Oh, I have it right here.
Oh, it's Mom. All right, cool.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, Mom.
What? How could I be the imposter again?
Hey, Mom, you're more lucky.
Slow roll us.
You're luckier than PewDiePie.
Don't slow roll us with the voting.
Avenge me.
This is
Did you guys
hilarious.
not mention that I literally said I was next to Mom? Right before
I literally too. I was like, I'm hanging out with Mom.
Oh, I didn't hear that. Well, no, Johan and I were together the whole time.
Yeah.
Well, I know. Celeste said, she said something, and then it was like each time it was like, oh, that was a giveaway. Oh, wow.
That's a good one to end on. Here, Lincoln, here's your phone back.
All right.
Take a
I want
screenshot
somebody
of that
else
one.
to be the imposter.
This is the final countdown. I wish I could play that song, but I know I'd get copy striked, so I'm not going to. Copy stricken. That would be the big terrible. Oh, someone else got second. Okay,
Dang it.
so I have to get a like a perfect.
Got first, right at the end.
Ah, whoa, that was crazy. Oh, 57 seconds. I might be able to secure fourth.
You're already. Oh wait, no, you're in fifth. Ah, right. We all just got usurped.
Watch this.
By
Bam.
a usurper.
Oh, I just found a hack. I don't know if it's a valid one, but I found a little cheese. I found some cheese on this track. Gotta get off the track. Get the cheese off the track, man. Get the cheese off the track.
30 seconds. Oh,
Minus 30 seconds. Let's go.
I said 13.
For me, it's minus 30.
Oh my god. 4, 3. I'm gonna make it.
Oh, no, no, no! And then I have to set it up so that you guys can hear it. Oh yeah, listen to that. Listen to that music. Oh, it's it's not bad. It's not bad. All right. Can I play with a controller? No. Can I? Wait. Oh yeah. Okay. You can't. It is arrow keys. I forgot what the. Let me make sure I'm doing this correctly. Yeah. Okay. We're good. I think it's some political thing. I don't care. This is just a funny game. Okay. Move. Jump is X, which is weird. I really don't like that. But it's actually like kind of well made. Okay, crouch can be K, J, L, Alt, Enter, full screen. All right, all I need is this. I can't crouch because, oh geez, that throws me off so much. Oh my gosh, cheese! Isn't Bernie from Wisconsin or something? And don't the little trash guys come out? You gotta collect all the votes. Collect all the votes and then, wait, where's the little? Ah. Are those guys wearing his hats? And what are these? Like, I don't know political references, but this is just a funny game nonetheless. And also, did I just like clip through that? Was that like a pro gamer move? I think it was. Oh yeah. This is an amazing game. I'm getting pinged on Discord now. Oh yeah, look at me. I finished a level.